Hello everyone, today I'd like to introduce the newest version of Binbot app, cryptocurrency trading bot created for Binance Exchange. Binbot app allows you to trade all cryptocurrencies available on Binance through official Binance API interface. Application is using technical analysis and based on indicators and your setting, bot is buying and selling positions. As you can see on screen, currently bot is trading on those pair on the left, BTC, ETH and others. In center of the app you can see currently chosen strategy and its EMA and Williams R. On the right you can see bot status. All green bot means that bot is running, API keys are good, buy and sell is enabled and sell by strategy is disabled. Below you can see also USDT and BNB assets, so you can monitor your assets that are available for trading. Now let's move to the Open Orders tab. If position is bought on Mine window and the rectangle with coin name will light green, then par will land on Open Orders tab. Here we can see all your open orders that are currently processed by bot. Bot is checking constantly what profit or loss is achieved, and based on that bot is selling positions. Selling conditions can be set in setting windows, I will show it later on. On Open Order window we can also run some manual command as manual DCA, manual buy, manual sell and delayed from database. The next tab is sold orders. As the name indicates, it's showing orders that are sold and previously were on Open Orders tab. Most important column here is profit, which shows if your strategy is working or not. As you can see on screen, testing of a new strategy was done when market was good and green enough to make nice profit. Win-loss ratio is over 85%, it's a great achievement. Your profit depends on your strategy and later on I will show where to set it. Now let's move to setting window. The first three fields are for API configuration, you can grab it from your Binance account. And below there are Mine app settings like take profit, TLS, DCA, notification and others. The next section is for sell strategy. Now let's go to the buy strategy window. As you can see there are two indicators. You can choose both and create your own strategy. You can pick indicators from the list. There is a few most common used by traders. When it comes to sell positions, there are two ways and you can pick best for you. First option is to sell using take profit, stop loss or TLS. And the second option is selling by strategy. On the sell strategy window you can choose one indicator which will tell bot when to sell your positions. And at the end, some general info. Application is available for free. There are also available tutorials how to configure Binbot app. If you are enjoying our application, please subscribe and like the video. See you next time.